The importance of nutrition for eye health. Vision is one of our most precious senses, and it's essential to protect it. Our eyes are constantly exposed to stressors like screens, pollution, and aging. Fortunately, certain nutrients play a key role in preventing eye diseases such as age-related macular degeneration, AMD, and cataracts. What is macular degeneration? Macular degeneration is a condition that affects the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. It is one of the leading causes of vision loss in older adults. A diet rich in specific nutrients can help reduce the risk of this condition. How does diet influence vision? Antioxidants, vitamins, essential fatty acids, and minerals all play a role in protecting the eyes from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Adopting a balanced diet rich in these nutrients can help maintain good eye health throughout life. Foods rich in vitamin A. Carrots. A natural source of vitamin A. Carrots are probably the most well-known food associated with eye health. Rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, they are essential for healthy night vision and protecting the surface of the eye. Other orange vegetables not to overlook: sweet potatoes, squash, and orange peppers are also good sources of vitamin A. Including these vegetables in your diet provides your eyes with the nutrients they need to function optimally. The benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish. Salmon and its benefits. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, essential for retinal health. They help prevent dry eyes and reduce the risk of AMD. Other vegetarian sources of omega-3. If you're vegetarian, you can get omega-3s from plant-based sources like chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. These foods are excellent complements to a balanced diet. Leafy green vegetables. Spinach. A nutrient powerhouse for your eyes. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two antioxidants that protect the eyes from damage caused by blue light and free radicals. They also help improve the density of pigments in the macula, providing extra protection against AMD. Kale and collard greens. Allies for healthy vision like spinach, kale, and collard greens are excellent sources of lutein and zeaxanthin. Adding these leafy greens to your diet can help maintain good vision and protect your eyes from age-related diseases. Fruits rich in vitamin C. Oranges and citrus. Protecting the retina with vitamin C. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect the retina and prevent cataracts. Regular consumption of these fruits can greatly contribute to the health of your eyes. Berries. Small but mighty berries, especially blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are also rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants. They help reduce inflammation and protect the blood vessels in the eyes, contributing to clear and healthy vision. Eggs. A superfood for vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Natural protectors of your eyes. Eggs are an excellent source of lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamin E and zinc. These nutrients are essential for preventing AMD and protecting the eyes from oxidative damage. How to include more eggs in your diet. Whether in omelets, salads, or simply scrambled, there are many delicious ways to incorporate eggs into your daily diet to benefit from their eye-healthy properties. Nuts and seeds. A daily dose of vitamin E. Almonds and walnuts. Preventing macular degeneration. Almonds and walnuts are rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. A handful of these nuts each day can make a big difference in your eye health. Sunflower seeds. Small but powerful sunflower seeds are another excellent source of vitamin E. They can easily be added to your salads, yogurt, or enjoyed as a snack to protect your eyes and improve your vision. Conclusion: maintaining good eye health requires a diet rich in specific nutrients that protect your eyes from damage and improve your vision. By incorporating carrots, salmon, spinach, citrus fruits, eggs, and nuts into your diet, you can not only protect your eyes but also contribute to repairing your vision. 1. How do carrots improve vision? Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor of vitamin A, which is essential for good night vision and protecting the surface of the eye. 2. When is the best time to eat these foods? There is no specific time to eat these foods, but it is recommended to include them regularly in your diet for optimal results. 3. Can these foods replace medical treatments? No, these foods cannot replace medical treatments, but they can complement a care regimen to improve eye health. 4. Are there any foods to avoid for eye health? Yes, It is advisable to limit foods high in added sugars and trans fats, which can contribute to inflammation and harm eye health. 5. How long does it take to see improvements? Improvements can vary from person to person, but a diet rich in eye-healthy nutrients can start showing positive effects within a few weeks to a few months. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share the video with your loved ones. See you soon.